Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battlefield 1 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battlefield game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can choose to play from the various different game modes. Now, if you wish to optimize the graphics settings, you will need to click on More within the home menu. From here now you can click on Options and then go into Video. Now, first within the Basic tab, make sure to choose the correct resolution and set the brightness as well as field of view levels. If you wish to turn on or turn off motion blur, you can also manually adjust its level within this page. Now, the VSync option should be turned off, and you should only turn it on if you notice screen tears within your gameplay. Then you have the Advanced tab, where you can either choose to enable or disable DirectX 12. Now, if you're looking for more performance, make sure to set this off in order to use DirectX 11. You can also adjust the resolution scale, which should be set at 100% at the beginning. Now, underneath you have the quality settings, where you can choose from various different quality presets. This ranges from low, medium, high, and ultra. You also have the custom option, which will manually allow you to adjust all of these settings. You can try using the ultra preset first to see how these settings will perform within your game. After choosing ultra, just go back and see your performance. If you're satisfied with your frame rate and performance, then you can continue to use these settings. Otherwise, pause the game and then go back to Options. Then from the Video tab, you can once again go into Advanced and try reducing the graphic quality presets. You can follow this pattern to find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay. Now, some of the options within quality settings can be turned off to get more performance. This includes the undergrowth quality, the texture filtering, as well as ambient occlusion. You can try reducing the value of the anti-aliasing post as well, and also the terrain quality to fine-tune your graphic settings in order to get more performance. Through this process of hidden trial, you can experience a smooth gameplay within your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Battlefield 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.